Welcome to our third class. Today, as promised, we'll look at how to upload pictures or images from either your laptop or from your phone, and also learn how to remove background. Remember, I told you with a free Canva version, they don't allow you to remove background. The tool for removing a background doesn't work. But I want to show you a hack on how to remove background even with this free Canva. So as we explained before, here is upload. So you click on upload, and then these are the ones I uploaded before, more than one, more than two. So all the things I've uploaded before, they will still be here. And then you click on upload file. It will take you to your phone gallery or your laptop file storage. Then you look for the picture you want to upload. So I select one. Let me just use one for fun, and then I open it. Note, you have to have network for it to work. So it's uploading here. It's showing that it's uploading. When it is done, it will show here. Yeah, it is done, and this is it. So let me click it. This is the picture I uploaded. So now this is background remover, but I can't use it because I've not paid. Once I click on it, it will tell me to make payment for it before I can use it. Since I am not ready to pay for it for now, I close it back. But I come to my picture and I click on eraser. So we have pixel eraser and we have magic eraser. Magic eraser now, see this symbol, it means it is only available to people who have paid, who are using subscribed accounts. Since we are not using subscribed accounts, we are going with pixel eraser. This is the size for the eraser. See, as I'm dragging it, it is showing on the picture the size for the eraser. This is the eraser which I have selected. So I come, see the size. I can increase the size and reduce the size depending on what I want. So this is it. Now I erase. If there is a mistake, I can do Ctrl+Z and it will take me back. So you do small, like do a little, pause, and then do again, do, then you pause, you stop, you take it again. The reason is because in case you make a mistake and you do Ctrl+Z, the last place is what will go. The other one that you've done before will still stay, so you'll not be starting afresh again. So you do a little, then you pause, you do a little, then you pause, just like that. Especially when you're coming close to what the image you're trying to have at the end of the day. So this place I clicked on show original. When you click on show original, it will be showing the original background of the image. Then I increase so that it will be easy for me to navigate. Then I reduce this. So you see, you are done. Then I click on see, the background is no longer there. So if I'm to add, I'm to change this color of the background. So this is one way This is one where we can change backgrounds. Simple, isn't it? But there is another way which I want to show you now. So this is remove.bg. It's a website. So this website now, it helps you remove background of pictures. All you need to do is to click on upload, then upload the picture you want to work on. You upload it, and then the website does the work for you. You see, sharp. This one and the other one, which one do you prefer? You can take the one that you prefer. So when you're done, you just come here and click on download. This is for people that are paid, that have subscribed to this website. You need to create an account for them to give you the subscription options, you see. But since we are using the free version, no need. So you just use this one, download with this one. See you again next class. Bye.